Hi from Hilton Head. Well, it's time to talk taxes. In the first 2 weeks in September, Beaufort County will be sending out to all of us property owners a revised or a letter with a revised appraised value of our properties. The last time they did this was in 2018, and it's state law that it's supposed to be done every 5 years. So it's 2023, here we are. The appraised value will be based upon December 31st, 2022 property values at that time. It's kind of a mass appraisal process that the county goes through and undertakes. They don't go out to every individual property and look at it. So they have a whole methodology that they use to kind of come up with that appraised value. We all know that there's been, a lot of appreciation in the properties since 2018. There is a cap on the amount of increase that any of us can see, and that's 15%. So if we had a property that was valued at $100,000 in 2018, the most it could be increased to would be $115,000. So that's good news. We don't get to bear the full brunt of the market appreciation. In terms of computing the amount of taxes that you pay, you're basically taking the appraised property value, which will be revised, something called an assessment ratio, which is kind of commonly referred to as either the 4% or the 6%. 4% for primary residence and 6% for second home. And then the millage rate, which is determined each year by the county through a budgeting process. The good news is that for 23 going into 24, they actually did lower the millage rate. So between that and the cap of the 15% on the appraised value, hopefully it won't give us devastating numbers to deal with on our property taxes. When you get the letter, you do have a chance. If you don't agree with it, there's an appeal process that you can go through. And if you do need some help in putting together any kind of data that I might be able to provide for you, I'm happy to do that. Again, keep in mind that we would have to use data for sales and market situations effective December 31st, 2022. But there's a whole process. It's online. The bcgov.net is a great website to look at if you need to have more detailed information about the whole property tax process. But if you're a property owner, be looking for that letter to come sometime in the first couple weeks of September, and we can compare notes at that time. Hope you're doing well. Have a great summer, what's left of it, and see you soon. Bye.